The ground wire CNA be connected to the ground. The first step is to start. This is the entire power switch. It start to work. When it start, this process is a bit long. Just start this complete interface completely. At this time we can wait a little longer. We are ready to program two machines. Put it over there. Just write this program. Let me briefly talk about it. This is the interface for the machine. Then these are the start and stop. These are the coordinate conversions. This is the key switch. The key switch is divided into automatic. This is stop and manual. This is an emergency stop. This is fine tuning. Fine adjustment knob. Then we also have an emergency stop on this interface. Then this is the lag. If it is normal, if it is the manual state and the stop state. It is a bright yellow light. In the automatic state, it will turn on the green light. After the start UI is completed, the first step is to log in. This is where you log in. Login is divided into several. A status of the administrator is the first operator. It can only operate, start, stop. It able to program and change programs, but cannot create a new program. Senior administrators just be able to program. You can change the setting inside it. We usually use it ourselves. Just use an administrator to manage it. The manufacturer's initial password is 1234556. Okay, this is already entered. After entering, let's hit manual mode. There is another button here. When you press this button, you will hear a beep. This is a button for motor enable. Motor enable brake release. Let's write a new program now. Just grab the bottle, our first step. We are going to inspect the school. The first step is right here. At this location, let's draw the path. It's the path, then set the endpoint. Click insert, it inserted right here. What about the first step and the second step? Move over here and grab down, divide this into XY. Look at this coordinate, this should be Y. There is another thing to note. It become world coordinates. In terms of world coordinates, it will make XY come and go. In this case, you can take a look here. Look at the machine. The machine can go this way. This is following our trajectory. Then we move it over. We can watch if it moves. We have almost reached this position before our eyes. When you get to this location, we can set this location and then set another. This is the second positon. Set the second position. Also set into the endpoint. Then click insert. This is the second positon. Move the third position down. Move down. Just got the right position. You can directly use this location to move this down to the top of the bottle. This is where I grab the bottle. That's how fast it can be. But from the step to the step, it will slow down. The number just now was at this position. This is where you Arab the bottle. There are 5 positions in total. After 5 positions, we are going to start clamping. After clamping, there is another signal output. We connected the relay. It's connected to the Y20 port. This is Y20, then click Y20, then click pass. It's done, then insert. You can see that our position should be moving downwards. We should put it here, it moved down here. Then what about after clamping this position? It start walking up, move it up, JST press it to move up. The first step can be to raise here, to set a main point on the path. Then we can go higher, it raises a little higher. Up to this point, path set into endpoint insert. This action is the same. We just fall for one of our ideas, then go over there. Let's clamp the bottle. Now let's come back and clamp the bottle. Let's start from here. I hold the bottle and go over. Pick up the bottle. Then take the bottle and walk away. Okay, this is basically where we want it to be, two at a path. Start going down here. When we took the step, add one more step. At this time we have to be careful, slow down the speed. It can be adjusted to speeds below. In this way, if falling speed will be very slow. Then we leveled. We must check this place quick. Almost here. Only here we can stop. This location is good. It's good to be in this location. Add one more step. Set endpoint insert. What about next? You can loosen the bottle. Add another loosening action. Model output. The output is still 20 just now. Disconnect here. Insert. Okay, it is disconnected. We can continue to rise. Then move up to the next position we want. Just here you can add a path input. The delay must be added at this time. At a 0.5 second delay. Because there is a process when the cylinder is loosened and sucked, so add it here. At this point we can go back to the first step. The fifth position is to try it out at this position. The fifth position is to try it out at this position. Now, add one more to the last position. Also write this location and write to the same path as before. Then the whole program is finished. Save after editing. Organize the numbers and save them. This is a program that had been compiled. After programming, we are going to have a trial run. In order to check if the program we made runs correctly, we can do a trial run. Trial operation means taking it step by step. The first step is like this. We program the program. And then the step, there needs to be a delay after clamping just now, 0.5 second delay. Now watch our every step. It's all going according to what we just made up. If we manually end the test run, if there is no problem, we are going to move around fully automatically. Well, that's no problems. It looks fine now. There is no problems now. Let's put the bottle over here now. After the release, we will start our trial run. Now loosen the bottle, LL right. Back to step 1. These are the complete program. We just did a test run. No problem. Then we start running automatically. Be sure remember to save when running automatically. Then switch to automatic state. If it is an automatic state, this will become automatic. Then we press to start. It will start, but as soon as it starts, it is a cycle. So we start, then click to stop. Click the single loop only once, now in automatic state. Because there are only 2 bottles here and they can only be circulated in single cycle. This is over. This is a complete process of writing a program. If it keeps looping, click to start. Don't worry about it while it's running, fully automatic, and then run the process. This light is a green light. This light is a green when running automatically. For example, we are currently in the middle of the process. Someone may have discovered our emergency stop can make an emergency stop. Press the emergency stop during this process. If you see this, just make an emergency stop. If after solving the fault, rotate open button, click this to stop. Click this to stop. This clears the alarm and continues. This runs automatically again. If we want to change the language, we must first stop it. In fact, this parameter setting, manual setting and parameter setting. Manually set this point and then change the language to English. Then turn off the phone. Shut it down and restart it and the language will be changed. Let me tell you where this program is located. You can copy it with a USB flash drive. This had become an English interface. This is still using a password. Our program is here. These programs can copy it out, back up to this USB disk. The place to insert the USB flash drive is here. There is a port here for inserting the USB flash drive. This is USB disk. You can insert a USB flash drive here. The USB flash drive can be inserted into the back of the handle. After inserting, you can copy this program, copy it and use it.